Sure. Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone covering the 2025 Oppo A37. The script flows through an introduction, exterior design, features, performance, camera, and a conclusion. It's structured for natural delivery and keeps the tone informative and engaging. Welcome to FK iPhone, where we keep you updated with the latest in smartphones that are challenging the giants. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Oppo A37, a phone that's generating buzz for delivering solid performance and design at a budget-friendly price. Let's start with the look and feel. The 2025 Oppo A37 comes with a fresh new design compared to its older versions. It features a sleek body with curved edges, giving it a comfortable grip and a modern look. The rear panel has a glossy finish and a minimalistic layout, which makes the phone feel more premium than what you'd expect in its price segment. The camera module sits neatly in the corner, and there's a smooth transition between the back and the frame. Oppo has made sure the device feels light in the hand without compromising on build quality. On the front, the phone features a vibrant display with thin bezels, offering a more immersive viewing experience. It's a tall screen, ideal for scrolling through social media, watching videos, and even gaming. The punch-hole camera adds to the modern aesthetic and helps maximize screen real estate. The colors on this display are rich, and the brightness levels are good enough for comfortable outdoor use. Now let's talk about the features that make the Oppo A37 stand out. It runs on the latest version of ColorOS built on Android, which means you get a clean, smooth user interface with handy features like system-wide dark mode, app cloner, and intelligent battery management. The phone comes with an octa-core processor that handles everyday tasks smoothly, whether it's browsing, chatting, or watching high-resolution content. You won't notice much lag, and it's responsive enough for light gaming too. In terms of storage, Oppo has included enough room for your photos, apps, and media, and if you need more, there's a dedicated micro SD card slot, so you don't have to choose between two SIMs and storage expansion. Multitasking is a breeze thanks to the RAM management in ColorOS, and background apps load quickly when you switch between them. One of the strongest aspects of the Oppo A37 is its battery life. It packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day with regular use. Whether you're watching YouTube, playing games, or making long video calls, this phone keeps up without you constantly hunting for a charger. And yes, it supports fast charging, so you can top it up quickly when you're in a rush. When it comes to the camera department, the Oppo A37 keeps things simple but effective. On the rear, there's a primary lens that captures clear and detailed shots during the day. The AI enhancements automatically adjust lighting and color to make your photos pop. For low light situations, the night mode helps reduce noise and improve brightness. The front camera is great for selfies and video calls, with beauty modes that smooth out imperfections without going overboard. It also supports portrait mode, giving you that nice background blur effect. Audio on the A37 is loud and clear. Whether you're listening to music or watching videos, the speaker performance is balanced and distortion-free. For those who still prefer wired audio, you'll be happy to know that the headphone jack is still there. Connectivity-wise, the A37 has everything you'd expect, including dual SIM support, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. It also comes with all the basic sensors and a fingerprint scanner on the side, which is fast and reliable. In conclusion, the 2025 Oppo A37 is a great option for anyone looking for a stylish, well-rounded smartphone without spending a fortune. It nails the essentials with a good display, long battery life, decent cameras, and smooth day-to-day performance. Oppo has done a solid job updating the A37 to meet the needs of today's users while keeping it affordable. If you're someone who values functionality over flashy gimmicks, this phone deserves your attention. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the breakdown and want more honest takes on the latest smartphones, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FK iPhone and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one. Would you like a shorter version or a script formatted for subtitles or reels?